Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Linux Mint. First, you will need to download the Linux Mint ISO file directly from its official website. After downloading, it is crucial to verify the file's integrity using its SHA-256 checksum to ensure it is not corrupted. Next, create a bootable USB drive with a minimum of 8 GB of storage using a reliable tool like Etcher. Finally, always back up all your important data before starting the installation process to prevent any accidental loss. Once your bootable USB is ready, restart your computer and boot from the USB drive. You will typically see an option to install Linux Mint in the boot menu. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your preferred language, keyboard layout, and time zone. When prompted for the installation type, choosing Erase Disk and Install Linux Mint is often the simplest option for a fresh setup, but be sure you understand its implications. After the installation completes and you reboot into your new system, there are a few essential steps. First, open the Update Manager to install all available system updates, ensuring your system is secure and current. Next, install any necessary drivers for your graphics card or Wi-Fi hardware to ensure optimal performance. Setting up a firewall such as UFW is also highly recommended for enhanced security. Finally, explore the Software Manager to install your favorite applications. Now that your system is set up, it is time to personalize it. You can customize your desktop environment with various themes, icons, and applets to make it truly yours. Take some time to configure system settings to optimize performance and privacy according to your preferences. For ongoing maintenance, regularly back up your system using a tool like TimeShift. Keeping your software updated is also vital for security and to enjoy the latest features and improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.